Hi, today we are trying to create a wonderful carousel, something like this with Elementor free version and without any external plugin or any other premium resource. So we will use Elementor free version with some simple CSS and some jQuery one here. So let's see how we can do this. So first of all, we have to select Flexbox and have to create a container over here. So for the design purpose, let's make this container with 400 pixel. This is only for design purpose. So and we have to get another container one here. So let's make a container. So this container will be the items that is showing on here. So this every items will be this container, and this the main container will be our parent element one here, right? So let's do the design, and you'll see how we can do this. So we have to take another three rows, one here, one is for the top section and one is for bottom, and the middle and the bottom section on here. So let's take another three container on here. I am duplicating this one container on here. So now let's give a background to the main item one here. So I'm using a gradient background on here. So the first color will be this one, and second color will be this, and the location will be as it is. The location will be 100% and the angle will be 180. So now we need to add an image on here for the Nike logo one on here, and also a heading, or let's take text editor on here. So this will be the text. um, so this will be the text. So let's make the color white just okay, and let's select the Nike logos on here. Okay, so it looks like this. So we have to make the logo a little smaller, so maybe 30 pixel or a little big. Yeah, I think 45 is good. So make the alignment left, and now we have to select this container one here, and then select the item direction to row and horizontal, and the justify content will be the space between. So it will look like this. Let's also make the align item center so that the items go center on here. And we have to make some padding on here. Let's say add 20 pixel padding all over here. Now we have to add uh, the heading and the text on here. So let's add a heading on here. So now let's give the title on here, and also let's make it make the color white, and the font will be Roboto or anything you prefer. Made the font size 25 pixel. Okay, great. Now let's add a text editor on here. So I will keep the lorem text on here for the example. So also make this white, and I will keep as it is on here. So now we have to add a header for the air text on here. So let's add a header, and yeah, now we have to make the color this one. So this is the color I'm selecting on here. So let's change the font family on here with the maybe which one we can select on here. Okay, Rowdies, and then we'll select RAM, and then 12 pixel one here. So it's now looks like this. So we also have to add a image on here with this container on here. So let's select the image. Okay, so now it looks like this, right? And also we have to I forgot to add some padding on here. So let's add some padding, and it will be something like this. So let's select the image on here, and then go to the positioning. So it will be absolute, and the direction, the horizontal direction will be the right, and it will be minus 20 pixel. Yeah, and the offset will be let's say minus 30. So it looks like this, right? Pretty good. But we will also missing something, so we need to add a border radius for the main item on here. So let's select it and go to border, and border radius 10 pixel. So it's now looks like this. So pretty much awesome, right? So it looks like fine on here. So let's check the responsiveness. Okay, okay, the responsive looks good, but I will change some positioning on here. So maybe okay, minus 9, and the horizontal offset will be 19 one here. Okay, it looks like wonderful on here. Okay, and maybe we can reduce the size of the font. So let's it maybe 9. Yeah, it looks like this and looks wonderful on here. Okay, let's publish it. So now I'm going to add some more items and the color. So I am adding it real quick. So yeah, let me add it. So yeah, now I added some items on here so that it's not take too much time to the video. So now it looks like this, and now let's give a class of the parent item. So it will be let's say product. Sorry, product carousel, and let's change the width. So we can change it 1200 maybe. Sorry, 1200 on here. So it will look like this, right? So now we have to activate the carousel. So I am using a plugin for the code, or you also can you take a row on here and use the HTML element on here and paste it, but I didn't like to use the code directly to the page. So I am using a plugin called custom css and js. Let's add a custom html on here. Okay, now add a name, and let's paste the code on here. So I already created the post, so this will be product carousel. Okay, now let's publish it, and now let's see the preview one here. So it looks amazing on here, but we can see that it's cut off the image from the bottom, right? It's because we need to add some margin one every item on the bottom. So let's add some margin to these items on here. So this margin will be 70, maybe 100 pixel one here. So I'm adding the margin for real quick. So I added the margin on here, so let's publish it and review the page on here. So how it looks like. So yeah, as you can see, it looks great on here. So if we add a background to the main item with a black background, it will looks uh, more beautiful. If we let's add a background on here black, and also we need to add some padding on here. So let's 100 pixel and bottom 100 pixel. Let's publish it. Again, review the page, and as you will see, it looks awesome on here. So I will give you guys the code and also the templates, so that you can use the code and the ready-made template on here. So you'll get the template and the code to the description box on YouTube. So I hope you guys like the video. So yeah, so bye.